गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट. आज आपण 9वीचा 15वा धडा लाईफ प्रोसेस इन लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम यावर थोडीशी चर्चा करूया. तर आपण त्याची उत्तरं द्यावी. ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन.
By the process of transportation, a substance either synthesized or absorbed in one part of the body reaches another.
By the process of transpiration, a substance and the synthesis of the word in one part of the reject another.
By the process of the transportation, a substance either synthetic is observed in one part of the body and reaches another.
By the process of transportation, a substance either synthesized or absorbed in one part of the reaches another. By the process of transportation, a substance either synthesized or absorbed in one part of the body reaches another.
रूट प्रेशर.
Water and minerals enter the cells on the root surface due to different concentration. As result, these cells become tergite and this tergite set external pressure on the axial side. This is called root pressure.
Water or mineral enter the cell in root pressure surface down to different is called as a conservation.
ट्रान्सलोकेशन सांगा.
Translocation.
Excess food, excess amino acid is stored in roots, fruits and seeds. It is called translocation.
नेफ्रॉन सांगा.
The functional unit of kidney that performs best functional filtration is called a nephron.
ओके सांगा समोर
The
नेफ्रॉन.
function unit of the kidney that performs the basic filtration by the kidney is called as a nephron.
The functional unit of filtration is the basic function of filtration is called nephron.
डायलिसिस.
The process of separating nitrogen now waste from blood with the help of this machine is called as a dialysis.
डायलिसिस नेक्स्ट.
The process of separating nitrogen waste from blood with the help of this machine is called a dialysis. The process of separating the nitrogen waste separated from blood with the help of a Madman machine. This machine is called dialysis.
ओके.
कोऑर्डिनेशन.
Depending upon this, we can say that systematic regulation of different processes can be called control, and beginning about the different process in proper sequence can be called coordination.
Depending upon this, we can say systematic regulation of different is called as a
कोऑर्डिनेशन.
Depending upon, we can say that scientific regulation has a result. This cell different process can be called coordination.
ओके. सांग कोऑर्डिनेशन.
Depending upon this, we can say that systematic regulation of different processes can be called control. Beginning about the different processes in proper sequence, it is called coordination.
ओके. ट्रॉपिक एक मिनिट हां. हां अंकिता विचार.
प्लीज एक्सप्लेन सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम और CNS.
Central nervous system constitutes brain and the spinal cord. The brain is main controlling part of the central nervous system. It is safely located by the cranial cavity. Spinal cord is protected by the vertebral column. Brain. The brain is an adult human weighs about 1300 to 1400 grams. Approximately 100 billion nephrons. The right side brain controlling your left side body and the left side brain controlling your right side body. In adding the left side controlling your speech, conversation, logical thinking, etc. and right side brain controlling your artistic abilities. There are four main parts of brain. Cerebellum. This is the largest part of the brain. Acopious to third part of the brain. Hence it was called the largest brain. Function. Control of vacuntary movement, concentration, maintaining concentration, decision making, memory, intelligent and intellectual activities. Cerebellum. This is the smaller part of the brain. Acopious. This is situated below the cranial cavity. Coordination in vacuntary movement, maintaining body balance. Medulla oblongata. This is the hindmost part of the brain. There are two triangular solar structures called pyramid. On the upper side, medulla oblongata. Function.
ओके. अंकिता सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम तू सांग. CNS. सॉरी प्रांजल आहे का. ओके सॉरी प्रांजल. हां चल.
Central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord. Brain is main controlling part of the body. Safely located in coronal cavity. Human weight is 1300 grams.
ओके. एक्सक्रेशन इन ह्युमन बिईंग कोण सांगतं.
Human excretory system consists of the brain and human excretory system consists of the pairs of kidney, a pairs of ureters and urinary bladder. Kidney lower position in the kidney is lower position than the right kidney is lower position than the left kidney.
Kajal, there are types of nervous cells and neurons.
The nervous types: sensory nervous, motor nervous, execution nervous. Sensory nervous conduct inputs from organs like spinal cord and brain. Motor nervous
The motor
motor nervous conduct inputs from brain and spinal cord if the organs like muscle or glands. Execution nervous free from execution nervous free from function of filtration is called nephron system.
आता आणि का वैष्णवी तू सांग नेफ्रॉन.
The function unit of the kidney that performs the base unit of the function of the filtration is called as nephron.
सेरिबेलम. ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन डेफिनेशन.
By the process of transportation, a substance either synthesized or absorbed in one part of the tissue another.
ट्रान्सलेशन इन प्लांट. ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन इन प्लांट.
Most animal move from place to place. The function of but do not. Plants need inorganic substance like nitrogen, phosphorus, magnesium, manganese, and sodium. Soil is the nearest and richest substance.
Okay.
Water and minerals.
Root pressure, sir.
Water and minerals prepare the cells on the root surface due to differences in concentration.
Pooja, please explain the function of kidneys.
The right kidney is in a slightly lower position than the left kidney has 10 lakh nephron. 10 lakh approximately 5 liter blood with the help of this